Hello, this is a new type of a video I'm trying out just so I can see how bad I am at it. It might be just this once, or if you're very unlucky, I might do some more of this. In this episode, or this video, I will be talking about one person in particular, a YouTuber who goes by the name of Royalmaro. You might ask yourself,
who the fuck is Royalmaro? I have never heard of him. He's probably some unpopular teenager who plays Minecraft and records himself.
I will answer you, although you basically just answer the question yourself. As his YouTube channel page says, his name is Lovro, but you can also call him Maro. I am not entirely sure what it means, but I don't really care. He uploads gaming videos and sometimes even reviews for movies and shows. Now, how fucking amazing is that? You don't get just gaming videos, but also get reviews. He says he loves to play any type of a game, but his channel mostly consists of Rocket League, Don't Starve and Minecraft, of course. He also notes that he is from Croatia. Now that's an awful country, it's a really fucked up country. Basically, we here at Croatia really hate ourselves and want to make our lives as miserable as possible. For all you out there watching this from outside of Croatia, Croatia is a country that produced this, and this.
People must trust us.
I myself want to get out of here as soon as fucking possible. His views are currently at 5,123 in total, and he has 232 subscribers. His Facebook page is currently at 19 likes, which is very high for someone like him, and his Twitter has 60 followers. So now that we know who Royalmaro is, let's take a look at his content.
Pussy!
There is just so many interesting videos here that it's hard to choose which one to take a look at first. Let's take a look at his most popular videos first. Oh, what a coincidence! His very first video is also his most popular one. Royalmaro probably has friends who support him. So, when he told them that he was starting a YouTube channel, all his friends said they'd watch his videos. Now, what Maro didn't realize is that his friends are not stupid. They probably watched his first 2 or even 3 videos and then gave up, realizing he actually posts shitty content and lies to his subscribers. And let's take a look at the genius that is Minecraft Skywars.
You son of a bitch!
Before I say anything else about this video, I have to point out just how beautiful that watermark on the top of the video is. Now that's a sign of high quality content.
Hey guys, my name is Royal Flush and welcome to my video channel.
His audio is very quiet, sounding really good in this video. But do not worry, in the description he says he'll fix the audio. Hooray!
Here I am. Okay. What's happening?
Plot twist, he doesn't. It is still as quiet.
And today I'm going to play Minecraft.
I don't know about you, but that sentence almost sounds like he's either forced to record this or just knows for fact that Minecraft is the only game that's going to get him views, and that just makes him sad.
Myself in the lava. And it will take me.
Is anybody else bored to death by this video? It's not even cancerous and obnoxious, it's just boring. There's no background music, there's no interesting editing, there is nothing to this video that could really make you keep watching it. It's just a teenager who you can barely hear trying to play Minecraft. If his commentary were interesting, I'd have no problems with the video having no background music, but the sad truth is, it really isn't. It's boring as shit.
Video. Bye.
So yeah, that really wasn't interesting. Maybe his singing skills are better. Let's take a look at Best Singer Ever Karaoke Game.
I'm going to rape you!
Hello guys and welcome to another karaoke party video. As you can see, I'm doing this as requested.
Oh boy, this starts quickly. I think it would have been smarter to start recording before the song countdown started. At least we can hope the singing is good.
I say at least! I get nothing in brain. That's what people say. That's what people say.
Well, shit. This sounds worse than my cat being dragged across the road by a speeding car. Oh my god, dude, change the title. Change it, please. People could get fooled by this, like I did. I got fooled and I got triggered.
Oh, I shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
He also notes that someone requested this. I can't even imagine how stupid a person has to be to request this guy to sing. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that the person who requested this is most likely deaf. Or a relative who didn't want to make him cry by saying that his singing sucks. Let's just move on to the next song. Maybe Taylor Swift just isn't his thing.
Calvin Harris, Summer. Let's go, guys. Sing with me.
Oh, you want me to sing with you? Yeah, no thank you, I love my life.
In the summer, do my heart beat sound.
Yeah!
And I met you in the
summer.
To my heart beat down.
We
fell in love as the leaves turn brown.
Fuck, why am I saying down?
Yes. Why are you saying that the leaves turned down? Are you implying that the leaves have Down syndrome? Or is the leaf a metaphor for your crumbling YouTube career, and the down signifies your views and subscriber graphs? Nevertheless,
I'm sorry. It will be better. Met you in the summer. Summer.
that was fucking awful.
Fuck you!
Royalmaro might seem like a good person, but wait, there is more to him than just that. On the 13th of August 2016, he uploaded a video entitled Update Video Number 3, in which he stated that he has recorded some videos which will be uploaded on Tuesday and Friday, while he was at vacation. There was a more than 2 weeks pause between that video and the newest one. He didn't upload anything in the time which he said he would upload. He made his subscribers believe he was going to upload videos, while in fact he didn't. He doesn't give a fuck about his subscribers. And now we know for sure, Royalmaro is a piece of shit. And now I would like to challenge Royalmaro to make a rant against me and my channel. I would love that. Please make a rant against me. I would very much appreciate it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I shall see you in the next video I do. Goodbye.